Your brand isn't what you say, it's what you've done. A real brand isn't curated, it's coded. It's not your pitch, your logo, or your tagline. It's your patterns, your consistency, your reputation in motion. It's not in the captions, it's in the conduct. Welcome back to Soul Renovation. I'm ADELINE Atlas, 7 times published author. Your brand isn't what you say, it's what you've done. And it's time people stopped confusing aesthetics with authority. In this world of filters, font packs, and digital facades, everyone's got a brand, but not everyone's built one. A real brand doesn't live in your marketing. It lives in your movement, in your follow-through, in your reputation, in how you made people feel when they worked with you, heard you, learned from you, or watched you execute when nobody was clapping. You don't build a brand through words. You build it through evidence. Evidence of consistency. Evidence of transformation. Evidence of who you are when the algorithm isn't watching. People trust what you do, not what you claim. And if you're still explaining your brand, trying to justify your brilliance, prove your presence, convince people that you're legit, pause. Because if you're really walking in alignment, your brand doesn't need to be explained. It needs to be embodied. You become the brand when your name gets mentioned in rooms you've never entered, because your work spoke for you. When people feel your frequency before you show up. When your presence triggers elevation. When someone says, "I don't know what it is about her, but I trust it." That's embodiment. That's what makes you undeniable. This is where most people get stuck. They build the look, but not the lifestyle. They perfect the bio, but they don't back it. They spend more time tweaking fonts than tuning into their mission. They want to appear branded, but they haven't embodied the values their brand is supposed to stand for. Let me say it clearly. Your brand is not your vibe. It's your vows. It's the silent decisions, the consistent alignment, the way you show up when it's hard, when it's slow, when it's silent, when it's not sexy. Your brand is your behavior, your boundaries, your backbone. And people can feel when it's real and when it's not. So stop chasing recognition. Start building record. Build in silence. Stack receipts. Get so consistent in your excellence that by the time people discover you, you've been that version for years. Because once you become it, no one can take it. Your brand isn't just what you post. It's what you prove. And don't get it twisted. This isn't about hustle culture or nonstop performance. This is about alignment. This is about being so locked into your assignment that your presence carries proof. You don't just speak powerfully, you live powerfully. You don't just promote integrity, you walk in it. And when that alignment happens, you don't need to chase brand partnerships. You become the brand. So don't explain it. Embody it. Don't sell the dream. Live the dream. Your frequency is your business card. Your habits are your marketing plan. Your energy is the pitch, and it lands before you ever say a word. The School of Soul Vault is my private monthly membership designed for those who are done just listening and ready to start building. Inside, you get full access to my video series, the unfiltered teachings, the strategy, the game plans, everything I don't share anywhere else. If you're ready to grow in silence and rise with precision, this is where it happens. Join the vault, monthly access, lifetime impact,